Good day to all. I recently received a laptop from China. I ordered an OUIO laptop on AliExpress. It's unmarked. There's a problem. I'm trying to turn on from the laptop's battery, but it won't turn on. Plug in the adapter. The red indicator lights up. I press the start button. The monitor turned on. We look at what is happening with the battery. The battery is 24% charged. The charging process has started. I disconnect from the network and the monitor screen went out. We turn on the start and the laptop does not turn on. I open the AIDA 64 program. I look at the power management. Status voltage 7.6 V, 0% is the amount of battery consumption. 29,600 mWh claimed battery power. 30% charge 8,880 mWh. The indicators are normal, because the laptop is new. We open another program, HW monitor. Here, too, the indicators are normal. Use battery power 0%. Most likely the problem lies in internal shortcomings. For this you just need to disassemble the laptop. I turn off the laptop and start disassembling it. We unscrew the screws in the back cover of the case. I unscrew the screws with a miniature screwdriver. This laptop has a built-in battery. It is built inside. Unlike older models, their batteries are attached from the outside. Then we take the mediator and put it into this hole. We need to open the back case. We go as a mediator around the entire perimeter of the body. You can try to open with such a card. I remove the cover of the SSD slot. If desired, you can put any slot here. We take out the cover of the case. We see the inside of the laptop. How was the problem further resolved? The cable was not completely connected from the motherboard to the battery. The Chinese seemed to be stamping a laptop at night and did not fully reach the end of the cable. I connected it to the end and now you can check the operation of the laptop from the battery. Install the housing cover. Insert an SSD slot. We turn on the laptop. The indicator is on. Loading is in progress. I turn on the laptop from the battery. Windows has loaded. We look at the state of the battery, 89% of the charge. We connect the laptop through the network. And the battery is charging. We turn on the AIDA program. Charging works. In conclusion, I want to say that the Chinese often make simple and unacceptable flaws. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.